Okay, you guys, so we're at Joann's and they have their fall wreaths out and garland. No real fall decorations yet, but look at this color combination, the burnt orange and the peach. I think that's so pretty, and with this really rusty color, little leaf coming off of it. These are $50. This one's really pretty too. This one is also $50 with like the peach and blush tones. This one here has the gold acorns. This one looks like it has like a dried floral look to it. These are really cute, these little flowers. Pardon my nails. I really like this one. This one is $40. We have just your traditional one here for $40. And look at this gorgeous one. You have to be into blush for this because it does have a touch of blush, although you could remove that. Let me give you a good look here. I feel like you can't see it that well. So we have the copper velvet leaves, the mustard leaves, some kind of burgundy foliage, and it looks like some dried stuff. It's all artificial, but it looks really real. Look at that pretty rose. I think this would have been gorgeous with this just swapped out for something else. And this one is $40. So we have some sunflower wreaths. These ones are actually different. So this one has a dark center and this one has like kind of a brown center. Down here we have another one of those like half wreath things, like what I just showed you. I kind of like these. I think they're cool. This one's very traditional. Could spice it up with some white pumpkins on there. Eucalyptus and burgundy peonies, and there's some amaranthus hanging off. This one just has a traditional feel also with the pumpkins. We have an all eucalyptus wreath here. And this one is so pretty, my goodness. Look at this. The colors are everything. They're rusty brown, reddish tones with a little bit of like a dried wheat look to it as well. Let me get a price. It's so hard to do this one-handed. This one is, does that say $59.99? It does. So this is the most expensive one we've seen so far. Really pretty. Another sunflower one. This one is just a traditional red and orange. This one's really pretty if you're into like a minimalist look. This one's $40. I do like this berry one down here, and another traditional one with the berries and pine cones. There are straw bales or hay bales. I'm not seeing a price on them, but you know, they're pretty much the same price everywhere. So just by the looks of this row of wreaths, I'm thinking that traditional colors are really going to be it this year, or at least that's what Joann's is going to be pushing. I'm not seeing a lot of like whites like we used to see, although, you know, there are a few. So let's see. There are some pots of florals. These are $49.99. And here's another wreath. This one's pretty with the big mums. Oh, and the black-eyed Susans or coneflowers maybe. So pretty. We have this pot of flowers too. Real Touch, it says $39.99. Well, yes, the sunflower is Real Touch. Not everything is though, but the sunflowers are. Look at how pretty they are. They do look realistic. Oh my gosh, you guys, fall picks. I'm not gonna go over each one of these. I'll show you my favorites though. These mums, they come in a couple colors and every color is gorgeous. $2.99. Obviously this one is my favorite. If I was making a wreath, $2.99 obviously. If I was making a wreath, I would use those. This burgundy, I'm definitely gonna be incorporating this color this year. I've actually already purchased a couple things with it. We have these little fruits. What's this? This looks interesting. Okay, so the anemone flowers. And I'm seeing a gray version. These are $3.99. What's this? The colors. It's the colors for me, you guys. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Again, it's the colors for me. I freaking love these. $4.99. I hope my camera's been focusing because I haven't really been paying attention. So stinking gorgeous. Joann's is my favorite craft store. I just think they really get it. I think they're always a step ahead of Hobby Lobby and Michael's, especially with their florals. This is so on trend. Like, these are the colors that are on trend for weddings right now, for year round, not just for fall. So maybe it's the florist in me getting really excited, I don't know. So they have this kind of neutral looking pick. Not sure how, I mean, I think it probably needs to be fluffed. $3.99. I mean, okay. There's that. There are more fall wreaths over here. My goodness. Okay, so we have this all white berry one. Look at this one, the colors. This is probably 60, yep. Here's a neutral wreath. Really, really pretty. 40. And another neutral one with the lunaria, or maybe that's just white eucalyptus. It's got a gold sheen to it, which I don't think is coming across on camera. And this is a metallic one also. This is really fun and vibrant. So is this one. Oh my gosh. Bright, bright yellow paired with muted tones. It really pops. And here's like a, I don't know what those are on there. Pomegranates, maybe? There's a cream sunflower wreath. I would get this if you're into sunflowers and use it now and then like put some fall color on it for fall so you can get 2 seasons out of it. And then did we see this one? I think we did. I do really like this one. This is a unique one. These little flowers are so cute. And there's like the stuff that looks like it's supposed to be dried as well. I really hope my camera's been focusing. So there are garlands as well. Let's see, $16.99. This is a neutral one with white pumpkins and flowers, a little bit of brown amaranthus. They also have it in a more traditional version. We have a sunflower one, and this one says naturally blooms in the fall. What do you mean? Okay, whatever you say. What is this? Look at this. So these leaves are like, I can't tell if they're black. They're like almost like an oil rubbed bronze. And there's some glitter skeleton looking ones. Is this a Halloween? This is a vibe for Halloween in my opinion. $16.99. Here's a very neutral one. I'm so into the corn husk look. And this one is $30. Oh my goodness, pumpkins in all of my favorite colors. So pretty. They're velvet. Joann's just gets me. $30 for this one. We also have like a plum and rust colored garland. And this one with the cone flowers. Are they black-eyed Susans? I don't know. Gardeners, let me know. And the neutral sunflower, it says naturally blooms in the fall. I think what they're trying to say is that these are natural. I think what they're trying to say is that these are actually seasonal flowers, because sometimes they use things that are not seasonal, like roses are not typically a fall blooming flower. I mean, they can depending on the climate, but like cone flowers, black-eyed Susan, amaranthus is a fall flower, sunflowers are a fall flower, I don't know. Here's a neutral garland. Did we already see this? Yeah, we already saw this. This is going to match that one wreath that I showed you that I said had a gold sheen to it. And this one is going to match the wreath that had the cute little flowers. And this one is $20. So there you have it. We have fall garlands out. They do have this section here, which these are really cute and realistic looking. So they come in an apple basket. They are $60, but they come in the orange. That one is like a peachy white and then burgundy. We have these two. They're mums in like a black pot for $19.99. Let me show you the color on this because I think it's kind of hard to see. You can see it's like peachy. Kind of looks blush on camera, but it's peach. And then these pots of sunflowers, $19.99. These do say they're outdoor safe, so hopefully that means that they won't fade. They're really nice looking, especially if they don't fade. Could easily convince someone these were real. Okay, so I hauled stuff from this summer collection. A lot of it's still here. It's 75% off, or I'm sorry, 70% off summer outdoor rugs. So I did get this rug for fall, but in the small size for my, in front of my patio door, but inside. And the rest of the collection says that it's 60% off. It's gone cheaper than that. But I did get this towel for fall. I got this one. I hauled this one, and my store had this, but in the rust version, which I hauled for you guys. So these are on sale still, and my store still has a really good selection. This is a summer collection, but like, it doesn't it look like fall to you guys? Let's see what else. They have pillows 60% off if you need some neutral pillows to pair with your fall stuff. And then here's another blanket that would definitely work for fall. $59.99. It's so expensive, but it's 60% off. So okay, I'm getting ready to end the video, but the last thing I wanted to show you were these mugs that I think would be so cute for fall. I thought about getting these, but I hauled some other mugs and I've purchased more since then, so I don't need any more. But these are $12.99 with the 60% off. They also have some plates and things that are in a similar color combination. And I know that this canister comes in terracotta as well. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing the fall trickle into Joann's with me. I will be back when the actual decor gets here. Bye-bye.